Come on, Mom, you gotta do it.
Yeah, they're kind of heavy.
Hey, Mom. Okay, so roll it a little bit and then catch up to it and then go. There you go, Mom.
Put it down lower.
Go, Mom, go! Neither could I. I was just running with it to keep it going.
I think yours is littler.
It is. Go, Mom, go! Still going! Yeah, you picked it back up. Now turn, turn, turn. Nice job, Mom. Oh. Oh, so close. That was really good, Mom. Mine, this one's like smaller than all the other ones.
Yeah. Cool.
Let's try it.